All right, everyone, a quick update on BONK here. So we're down almost 14% on the week. And as we see here, the price did end up coming down. It is holding right now on that 16 level here at that first green support line. Now, one could argue if we pull this back up to where it was, that the uptrend here was broken with this large red candle. We're hitting it as resistance on the new candle. And that's pretty much telling us that the price is about to break down and kind of fall off the table down to the 1272 here and drop about 24-25% down to 12.9, which could very well be the case here. Now, my opinion is even if it does come down here, if we just simply move our trend line here, the bottom of our pattern, and we just look at it for what it is, as long as we're making higher lows across the board and we do not break what I already circled here, this low at this green line at about 12.1, if we come down to the 1272, at least for me, I will still be bullish on bonk if we hold here, even with a slightly higher low here at 12.9, and then we get a bounce back up and we start holding back inside this pattern here. At some point in the future, maybe next spring, we'll finally have that breakout to the upside over the 1618 at 40. So if we end up holding up, and as long as we're holding the market structure here and continuing the higher lows, there's no reason for me at least to be bearish inside of this pattern that we're in, this very large pattern. But I would say the moment that structure breaks, the moment the price breaks through that structure, that's when you know it's all over and it's going down. But as long as it holds up, maybe someday I will be able, that is, to get in on bonk and ride this thing to the moon. So we will see what happens here. Now, with all that said, keeping it real simple, going from today where we are in price, if we hold up at 16 and that is the bottom and we start moving back up, of course, we will measure this really quick. If we hold over 16, your price to get back over is the 1414 here. About a 24% move back over 20 would be a huge step in the right direction and a huge step for this pattern here. Now, with that being said, the measured move takes us up to about a 6x, a little over a 6x to the $6.9 billion market cap. Taking away 10 up to 3 zeros. 10 could be the nice, decent move out of here whenever it does break out of here, of course. And then, of course, maybe this cycle at some point, it hits the $24 billion market cap here for a top at the 2272 at 3036. And then we get that 21, 22x out of bonk here. So what are your thoughts on bonk at this point? None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.